Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nacho tacos. Start by organizing ingredients and tools on a clean surface so assembly moves quickly and smoothly. Choose sturdy tortillas or flat, large chips to hold fillings without falling apart. Cook seasoned meat or heat-spiced beans until deeply flavored, then layer cheese, jalapenos, and pico de gallo for a pleasing mix of hot, salty, and fresh flavors throughout each taco. Begin assembly by warming tortillas just enough to bend without tearing, then place a chip or two inside for crunch support. Add a base layer of meat or beans, then sprinkle cheese so it melts from residual heat. Top with crunchy veggies, pickled jalapeno slices, and a squeeze of lime to brighten flavors. Finish with a light drizzle of crema or salsa to enhance taste without compromising the crunch. Explore flavor swaps to keep things exciting by mixing proteins, veggies, and sauces in new ways. Swap beef for chipotle chicken, or use black beans with cumin for a vegetarian option that still packs punch. Add unexpected toppings like mango salsa or pickled onions for sweet and tangy contrast against salty chips. Finish with crumbly cotija or a squeeze of lime to lift every bite and create memorable flavor layers in each nacho taco.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.